Why do affiliate marketers and e-commerce store owners struggle to get their emails into inboxes? For many, it's not just about sending emails. It's the frustration of watching open rates drop week after week, or seeing subscribers vanish without a trace. The real problem? It's not what you think. It's not just poor content or bad timing. The real root cause is often a damaged sender reputation. When emails land in spam, even the best offers go unseen. Most common solutions fail because they don't fix the core issue. Sending more emails or changing subject lines can actually make things worse. But there's a better way. By focusing on email deliverability, marketers can turn things around. Mailvio's AI-powered platform helps businesses improve sender reputation and boost engagement. Just ask Ijlal Ahmed from Content Gorilla AI. He saw a complete transformation in his revenue pipeline. Or Neil Napier from KV Social Marketing, who increased affiliate revenue by 95.34% in just 1 month. Imagine sending emails that actually get opened. Picture your sales soaring and your subscriber list thriving. With Mailvio, businesses can build stronger relationships with their audience. Click below to discover how we achieve consistent inbox delivery with Mailvio's unique email marketing solution.